Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to restore an item from the trash or bin on a Chromebook in ChromeOS. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To restore an item, we first need to open the trash or bin. To do this, open the app launcher in the bottom left by clicking on it, and then search for the app called Files. Open the Files app, and on the left it should say Bin or Trash at the bottom of the list. Click on this and then look through the contents for the item you want to restore. All you need to do is right-click on it and then choose Restore, and it should appear back where it was when it was deleted. You can right-click by clicking using 2 fingers on the touchpad, or by tapping and holding on a touchscreen. That's how to restore an item from the trash or bin on a Chromebook in ChromeOS. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.